So that's the good news because one of the Filipino life hacks, this breakfast is my own recipe. Looks delicious, right? So good morning, people. How are you? The current situation here in my town, the 9 days shutdown already done. I can still go out, so one person can go out each house. So hopefully community quarantine done soon because there's no additional cases here in my town. So that's the good news because even if there's one person get positive, there's no number 2 or there's no number 3, so which is good news. And I hope we can continue our daily lives again here in my town. So anyway, I'm going to cook my breakfast. This breakfast is my own recipe, so I hope you like it. Okay, so these are my ingredients. So we have here potato, and then a can of mushroom. I like this mushroom a lot because we don't have fresh mushrooms. I just use it. Corned beef. This is like quarantine dish. And then we have... Hi! Here's my assistant, by the way. So this is squash. So now we're going to chop the squash and then chop the potato. Okay, don't touch me, huh? I'm going to chop it. I have knife.
No.
Why?
Watch.
Yeah, just watch. You watch and I'll do it. We need peeler to peel the skin.
Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Careful, this is short. This one. So let's chop the mushroom. Well, I like chopping garlics really small. And then mushroom. This is shiitake mushroom. I like this kind of mushroom than the white mushrooms. Just another one that I haven't cut. I miss that. Okay, next is the potato. So this kind of meal is like a lot of courage to cut these ingredients. You need to cut this into small cubes. So it takes a while. So we need to cover. Gosh. Oh, if I drop it, it's gonna be broken. Okay, let's cover. Medium heat. So after 2 minutes of cooking for the potato, okay, so right now we're going to cook. Let's transfer. Okay, let's put some water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scoop of my gulay. Huge. Okay, so let's cover pot. Really small. So I think later I am going to make pita flatbread. So yeah. Because of quarantine, I like cooking right now. This is my stress reliever. Also watching movies is also my stress reliever. I also edit videos. Let it cook. Right now we're going to put soy sauce. I like this kind of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. This is patis. So this one. 1, 2, 3. Smells good. I decided not to put magic syrup because I don't like magic syrup anymore. It's because it makes the food taste different, not the real taste of the food. Smells good. This is iodized salt, a little bit of salt. I don't like salty food. So let's taste a little bit. Morning, zombie. So I make this dish because my favorite veg is potato, squash. So I just mix them together and then make something like this. So right now we're going to put the corned beef. I didn't expect it's gonna be a lot, you know? Looks delicious, right? It's so yummy. Okay, let's eat breakfast. So I like my squash really tender, mixed with rice. Okay, so hello guys. One of the Filipino life hacks is this one. So now, I have here a carton of milk for my niece. So I'm going to recycle and then I'm going to use it like trash can. Put cellophane like that. Yep. So now you can use it as a trash can. I don't have a trash can and it's quarantine. I can't shop, so let's do it. Before I did this, just hang the cellophane and put some trash because I do it inside in my room and I don't have trash can in my room. Use it as a trash can. One of the example is this one. Yeah, I use that trash can. So this bag is extra, but I'm not going to put trash can in it, but I'm going to put some trash which is I can use. So I have here biscuit wrapper, this one. I'm going to cut it into little pieces so I can make pillow. You know, most pillow they use cotton, but for me I'm going to use it cellophane to recycle. It takes a lot of time. You need a lot of patience to do it because you can't make a whole pillow just by this one. It's not for sleeping. I'm going to make pillow for my butt. When I'm editing, hurting my butt every time I edit videos. I'm doing this my butt feel better. Cut it into small pieces. I've done this before, like it's a project from school. I don't remember where is my pillow from high school. Anyway, I'll continue doing this. This is one of the Filipina life hacks. And actually, we do this also before when I was like elementary. We do this to make our own pillow. I can afford to buy pillow before when I was very little. My parents are not in good life, so I learned from it. See you later. Okay, so this is the cotton that I'm going to sew. After that, I'm going to put the plastics in here and I'm going to use it like a pillow. So let's do it.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere to place
We're watching TV
like a
movie.
flash in the universe.
Salamat po.
You are
Doing the pillows, and I'm going to put plastic inside.
all the world goes through and stage dives. I don't care. You got my attention. So you were saying
So I'm going to cut this.
see the Lord.
I have now.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Something special, I'm sure.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will see more videos of me traveling around Philippines, other countries. Also, if you wanna see more videos of Mindanao, my home life that you'll never see in the other channel.